Hello, hello, hello. Hi, guys. Let me show you guys a little bird under my roof. I mean, not my roof. What the heck they call? Ding, ding, ding. I'm not trying to kill you, but you have to get out my house, Mr. Bird. Remember last time you make a fire in my house because you make the house right on the light of my little house. Look at this thing. Oh Lord, a little scary though. Woohoo! Well, what can I do? I know it's a bird in there, but I don't know. I wouldn't be screaming and yelling when they come out. Look at this, Cheyenne! Oh my God, what can I do? Wait for see the bird. Look at it. Burly, 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 burly. Sorry, burly, burly. I don't want to fire my house. Cat out. Shy, help me. Look at this. I don't know. I'm just scared to let them, get out. And then they will fly straight to my face. I don't know what to do. Here, that's my little cutie. Hello, can you help me? I know it's a bird in there, but I don't know how to get them out. Can you get the little longer stick?
Or can I just open
You,
it?
no, you be careful. They will fly straight to your face. I'm serious. They in there. You this. Wait, careful, yeah. Wait. Hold on 1 second. I'm scared. They go straight in your house. I mean, your face up. Look at that. I'm seeing there already. What? Wait. Oh no. Woo! I'm. She. Oopsie, guy. I'm missing it. Did you guys see it? Oh Lord, scared the heck of me. Do you see it?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh my God. Is anybody there? I mean, anyone there? Just one?
I
Oh,
think baby birds are in there.
oh no, I hope not. Okay, what can I do? I don't wanna mess up their house, but it's like,
I see the bird.
they will.
It's right there.
Where?
There.
Outside?
No, it's right there.
Where? Under the house?
That's the wire.
Oh no, wow.
It's watching it.
Wait, what can I do? I don't want to kill them. But actually, last year they almost fired my house because they
They burnt themselves to death.
I know, but if we're not home, they would have killed us too. They burned the house too. Look
So
at
we're
it.
gonna have to take it out.
Well, I have to. Can you go get me the stick? Is it like save us and save them too? Let me go get a stick. I'll be right back. By the way, I was outside and my husband was taking out. Okay, see you later. I will go get the bird. Yes?
Stick.
Okay, I get this, and then oh no, you hold that thin so in case, you know. Oh man, be careful your eye.
Scared.
I know I don't want to do this guy, but oh no.
It's literally.
I hope that not the little bird or anything in there. Oh man. Oh Lord, actually the whole me. I know.
You're just gonna have to take the whole thing out.
I know. Look at that. This can make my house on a fire one day when I go to work. I'm not home. Look at that. Gee, guy. I'm not bad, but see, this one can. I mean, actually happened last year.
But Dad.
But my husband home, so I don't want to kill you. But oh Lord, you see that?
Feathers.
Oh my God, look at that. I'm so sorry, bird. But I'm so save my, family and save you guys. If they're on a fire, you guys die anyway. Oh, oh shit.
What?
Oh shoot, sorry. Whoop.
What?
I said shit.
Okay.
Well, is that bad?
No.
Not really, but look this.
Look how many feathers.
No, you see, this can cause a fire very, very easy.
Just take the whole plate out.
How? I don't know how to do it.
Just rip it off.
Oh, sure. Look at that.
Oh.
Look
God.
at that. The light right there. That's how they make they cause the fire. You see?
Bird.
Is bird there? Oh Lord. Look at that. How much in there?
It's a bee. It's a bee. It's a bee.
Oh no, it's a bee. It's a bee. You see? Oh Lord. See? Oh my God.
It's a bee.
I'm so happy because I have no little bird, no egg, nothing in there. Oh shoot. Actually, they have egg in there. Oh man.
Bumblebee.
I'm
Stay
so.
away from me.
No, no egg. Eat egg? No egg. Well, you see how much of. Oh Lord. Oh, I'm so sorry. That little egg. Oh, shit, it's a bee.
It's a bee.
Here, guy. Oh man, I'm so sorry. One egg, two egg. Walk back over here. I'm so sorry, but if I leave you guys there, you guys die anyway. I'm so sorry, little girl. Look at one egg.
There's another egg right here.
Another egg. Oh man, another egg.
Wait, they cracked.
I know. So actually, I'm so sorry I killed them. But can you imagine? Look at this. They can burn my house for a minute. So I'm so sorry. Don't come back again. Look
Wait.
some places better for your life, your kid, your little egg.
These are feathers.
Oh man, it's a feather of the what? It's a bird or a chicken?
The mom birds.
The mama here, another one. Oh man, I shouldn't do this, but you know. Okay, here, guy. That's my Sunday today. I do nothing. I just stay home. My husband take a nap. Me and my daughter playing. Watch a movie. Video. Look at this. How much? This can. If I'm not home, I'm going to work. I get home, my house will be burning down.
Burns to death.
You know. Okay. So that's it. That's my Sunday. Well, actually, I will do something later.
Sad.
Sorry, sassy, but okay, bird. I'm so sorry. I will leave the egg somewhere, but they are cracked. They're not gonna be safe. So. Oh man, I'm a bad girl, but oh no. I'm so sorry. When your mom come back, I'm not gonna see you guys anymore. But I'm so sorry. What can I do? I have to say my family to little bird. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, look at this. See, last year they caused a fire. Okay, so now they come back. We don't have anymore, but okay. Oh well, what can I do? Too much mess. Beautiful today. Okay, that's my apple tree. Oh my goodness, it's a lot of flower come up. That's beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. I have a little beautiful tree. I don't know what kind, but it's a lot of flower. Ooh, that's a little bit. See? This tree, beautiful. But when they have the apple, I cannot eat it. But I make a messy in my yard. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh man. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the Easter Sunday. Actually, the weather not too bad. I would like to do something, but not really. I've been working too much, and I'm really so tired. So, I hope you guys enjoy with the family. If you guys have a drink, don't drink too much because you guys have to work tomorrow. Okay, I'm going back to the house. Make something for my daughter. Bye, guys.